friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So today we're gonna do a Sugarpill Bingo. I have pressed shadows, I have loose shadows. I might even randomize my lip option later, but we will see. That could be scary. I might go back on that one. But I have 15 of the Sugarpill shadows. I have 7 of the loose shadows. I was thinking I'll randomly generate 4 of my pressed shadows and 1 of my loose shadows, and we will create a look with that. Also, I love this wig so much. I would be so content if my hair looked like this all the time. It's so cute. If you have hair like this, I'm so jealous of you. Okay, anyways, let's get into it. I've never really done a palette bingo without like a palette, like I've always, or like with just shadows. I've always had an actual palette, but we'll see how it goes. So I have these 3 little palettes here. I actually organized them by laying them all out alphabetically, and then I just kind of went through and popped them in the palettes going this direction. So they're kind of mixed up funny in the palettes, but I think they're actually really cute stories. I have this one right here. I am hoping so bad we get arsenic. I just want to bathe in that shade. We have this one here. It's so cute. I really like this one. And then we have just 3 more here at the bottom. I'm not going to go through every single name because I honestly don't know every single name, and it's annoying to pop all those shadows out, but I will tell you the names of the ones that I actually use. And then as far as the loose shadows, I have Ghosted, which is a white-pink shift. I have Goldilocks, which is a gold. I have Lumi, which is a blue-white shift. I have Memento, which is a really deep blue color. I have Polar, which is more of a vibrant mid-tone blue. Silver Lake, I can't speak, is a really pretty silver that I just threw. And Stella is like a black with rainbow sparkles. I'm actually hoping this is the one I don't get just because it's very messy and I don't want to get that one. But we will see. Let's draw the shadows first. I'm going to do them in order from like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then the last 3. So let's draw. Let's do the first 2. How about it? We got number 12 and number 4. So we got 12, which I believe is called Wink, and that's actually what I used as my highlight today. And number 4 is, I believe this is Suburbia, and I actually use that as my blush. So we are starting pretty darn normal. Let's see what other 2 shades we get. We got 10 and 13. We got this blue, which is called Velocity, and we got the red called Love Plus. I'm not really sure what to expect with this look today. It's gonna be very America, apparently. And now for the 5th shade, we're gonna use one of these loose shadows. They're in alphabetical order like how I read them out to you. So I have the generator 1 to 7. Let's see. We got number 2. Okay, we got Goldilocks, the gold loose shadow. This is gonna be a very odd one. I was very much expecting it to be more exciting, but I don't know. I guess we'll just have to play with some shadows and see what happens. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna prime my eye with my Sigma eyeshadow base and ignite, and we're gonna create a look. So I'm gonna go right in with Love Plus first, that really pretty red, and I'm just gonna take this kind of smallish e.l.f. small crease brush. What's this even called? Tapered blending brush. I always forget what it's called. I really like this for detail work, especially when trying to lay down a darker shade in the crease and outer corner and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna build this shade up in the outer corner and then run it through the crease. I think I'm going to do, I don't know what I want to do. I think I just want like a very red, smoky outer corner with Suburbia kind of blended all throughout the crease and across the lid. I'm not really sure. And then I'm going to have that blue, I think, on the lower lash line. I don't know what I'm going to do with Goldilocks just yet. I might do like a winged liner with that shade. That could be really cute. Alright, so now that that's in the outer corner, I'm going to take some of Suburbia, which is that peachy color. I really hope that's called Suburbia and I'm not just lying. Pretty sure that's what it's called though. And I'm just taking this SL Miss Glam brush to start blending this out so it's nice and soft. Actually, I'm going to backtrack a little bit and take some of that up on this shadow brush. This is a ColourPop E1. And I just want to start packing this all across the lid just so that this pink is kind of established so I can start getting a nice solid blend from just like pink all over with the red outer corner. I really don't know what I'm thinking with this look. I just really wanted to play with some more Sugarpill. With this blending brush now, I'm just going to kind of dip back and forth into Love Plus and Suburbia until I have kind of a combo on that brush to help blend it even more. Kind of like an in-between shade. I'm liking what this is looking like. I think it's really cute. Well, this is pretty much going to be it for the lid action. I know it's very simple, but I think it's pretty and it's impactful. I mean, it's not that impactful. It's more of like a soft, subdued kind of thing, but I really like it. I'm going to drive myself nuts if I don't figure out if this is called Suburbia or not, so let me check. It is called Suburbia. I was correct. I should never doubt myself. So now I want to pick up Velocity, that really pretty blue, and I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is a Spectrum A12. And I'm going to start popping that underneath my lower lashes, really close to it. And then I'm just going to blend and smoke it out. And I'm just going to take a tiny bit more on this BH Cosmetics brush. It has light blue staining on it, but it's clean. Well, not anymore because I started blending with it. And I'm just going to blend this shade out until it's just a nice smoky blue lower lash area, you know? Feeling quite America right now with these colors. That was not the vibe that I was thinking was going to happen with these Sugarpill shadows. Cute! And now for the fourth shadow, I want to take Wink, and that's just going to go in my inner corner because I don't feel like being creative with it in any other way. Just taking this little M213 brush from Morphe to highlight. So this is such a good highlight shade. I love it. It's good for the face, at least on my skin tone. It's good in the inner corner. I just absolutely adore it. I really like this pinky redness going on in my lid and crease. I think it's really pretty. So now for the Goldilocks shade. I think I'm just going to try to do a really pretty winged liner with it. I think a metallic gold wing will just really take this look to the next level. Hopefully, question mark. I'm just throwing some of that gold in the cap. It's such a pretty color. I have this little Tarte bent angled liner brush, so I'm going to take this and some NYX glitter glue. I'm actually going to make a little concoction on the back of my hand. I'm going to grab some of that glue there and just pick some of this up with the shadow with the brush and just start piling some of that on my hand and then making kind of a little concoction so it's a little more of a liquefied situation. See? Sorry I couldn't really show you actually making it. It would have spilled everywhere. So now while this is still wet, I'm just going to make sure the brush is nice and straight and I'm going to start drawing a wing and hope it works. Honestly, drawing a wing with something like this is a little bit easier than doing it with a wing like a black liner. It's a little more forgiving and a little easier to work with. Ooh, that's going to be really pretty, honestly. I feel like Wonder Woman or Captain Marvel or someone like that. Here we are. What do I want in my waterline though is the question. Should we just go with the gold? I'm gonna do glitzy gold from NYX. We might as well just like drive right into it. Palette Bingo Gods gave me straight up Captain Marvel vibes. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Throw on my lashes, something on my lips. I guess I will do the lips with you. I will see what randomly generated Sugarpill liquid lipstick it gives me, or gloss. If it's a disaster though, I'm not going to use it, but I will try and we will see. I'll be back. Okay, so I have my Sugarpill Days lashes on. I realized after I put my lashes on, I probably could have randomly generated a pair of Sugarpill I could have randomly generated a pair of Sugarpill lashes because I have like 3 or 4 pairs, but whatever. The Days lashes are on. I have 9 Sugarpill lip products varying between glosses, regular lipsticks, metallic lipsticks, regular liquid lipsticks, and metallic liquid lipsticks. So let's see. 1 to 9 right here. They are alphabetized, of course, because I like order in things. Number 7. Let's hope that this is a color that would look good. We got Shiver. It's a blue. I think this is a metallic blue. This will actually probably suit the look very nicely. I literally am going to be Captain Marvel. Okay then, I'm going to pop this on and I will be back to finish this up. Alright, this is the final look, complete with Shiver on my lips. Palette Bingo gods really just wanted me to channel Captain Marvel today, and I mean, I'm not mad at it. These are definitely not colors I traditionally just think to pair together, I don't know, I just don't think to be a superhero. But I actually like it. I like it with this hair. I feel cute. I know Zane would like this look. I'll have to send him a picture. And I mean, yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this little Sugarpill bingo. I don't even want to call it a palette bingo because I bingoed a lot of Sugarpill things. But it's a very cohesive look. These all go together. They have a very clear theme. What do you think? I loved all the products I played with. I liked how well this liquid or this loose shadow worked as a liquid liner, mixing it with my glitter glue. And I don't know, I feel content. I don't have any other plans today other than the gym, so I'm just going to wipe this off and that'll be that. But I do like this look. I would normally be content wearing this for a long period of time. I would have been cool. But let me know what you think. What is your #1 favorite Sugarpill product? I think mine right now is the Bloom Gloss. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. Well, if you enjoyed this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I post here most days as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.